July Cycles here with an update from my vacation. So I'm up in the mountains in the cabin with this view, and I'm still following the markets. So in my previous video I was expecting a pullback from around Wednesday last week into Wednesday yesterday, and we did get the pullback. And if we had made some kind of a double low here, it would have been all clear for the next rally, because we now enter the bullish phase of my 4-week cycle. However, we crashed down yesterday and broke the previous cycle low, and that's kind of a problem. If you look at the longer trend, we see we did reach the trend line and the 70-day moving average, which corresponds to the 50-day moving average in trading days. So if we get a good bounce from here, then it's all back into all clear. Then we are above this offset. Well, in red I have the 4-week offset, so we see the offset has broken the previous level, but if we bounce up, it's all clear again. But if we get a weak bounce or some kind of a sideways move from here, then it's likely we break down from here. So longer term, I had two scenarios from historical analogs, and both these two are still in play. It could be that we already have seen the bull market top, but it looks kind of too early. So if we continue down and stabilize the next weeks, it looks like we're in the red scenario with a top early November. But if we get a strong bounce the next weeks and are making a topping formation, it could still be the green scenario. So my medium-term cycles are supporting not much more upside. The cycle composite is going down into mid-September, so I thought we would get a top after this composite top in early August, but we turned down very early. So I can't really say, it's still possible we bounce up to make a double top, a topping formation, but the cycles are going down, so I would not be too eager for the upside here. But still, the trend is not ruined. It's very possible we bounce up, because many sectors are stronger than the S&P. Here's the Dow Jones Industrial Hourly data. So we have made a 2-week oscillation with a low yesterday, and we should start a new one. And we could break this red trend line and start a rally. And we have, like, the Russell 2000 has made more like a sideways bullish consolidation. So still possible. If we look at my money flow triangle here, it suggests some kind of a low in about 3-4 weeks, but it doesn't say where the top is. So I could see two scenarios here: either a weak bounce and we just have a downtrend into late August, or we could have a strong bounce and making more like a big sideways move here into late August. So short term, this green scenario could still be in play. Maybe yesterday was just a bear trap and we will get a strong bounce. We have the Fed meeting coming up, the non-farm payrolls, a new month. So, and my cycle is very bullish into August the 3rd, or that could be Friday the 2nd or Monday the 5th. So we could get a strong bounce here, making this a bear trap and making a topping formation in August. But if we, this bounce, it may start today or Friday or even Monday. Maybe we need some time to make a bottom formation here. But if we see more weakness going further down and this coming bounce is weak, well, it favors a low around August 7th, I think, or maybe even late, the end of August, or I think that's August the 20th. So yeah, can't really say. We have to see the next coming days if we get a strong bounce, or next week if the Fed meeting and the payrolls can't make us rally, then we are vulnerable for a further breakdown. So if we indeed are in a correction, we could go, all the way almost or down to the April lows, and that would strongly suggest this bull market is over. But still very possible to have a strong bounce into making a bigger topping formation with a lower high in the fall, or even a double top. So yeah, we have to see. But we did get this pullback, although a bit deeper than I expected. So we have to see, was it a bear trap or is it for real? So see ya.